Alright, welcome back. Today we're looking at HTML paragraphs and what is a HTML paragraph. A paragraph always starts on a new line and is usually a block of text. You can use them for other things, but generally you should always use them for an actual paragraph. So a paragraph tag starts with a P and also ends with a slash and then P again. And then we just add our text in the paragraph, and browsers will generally add some margin and padding to the top and the bottom by default. If we wanted to style this, we could add a P and then go margin, M-A-R-G-I-N and 0. And then we have no margins or text, so it kind of resets it if you want. Or you could just add a margin 0 and then margin bottom and then 10 pixels if you wanted to have your margins just on the bottom of the Ps. Browsers will generally always line break between paragraphs, so we can get rid of this CSS again and just see what it looks like by default. So it has a little bit of margin and padding on the top. We can actually view that by just adding the developer tool. So you can see what it's adding here is the default is margin 16. So that's 16 top and bottom and 0 left and right. So just for some reason, this browser adds that margin, but they usually will add those kind of margins. So that is a paragraph text. It will wrap the text usually if you have a whole bunch of text here, unless there is no word breaks in the text. So if we resize this a bit, I can't resize it anymore. Yes, if we go an unexpected character. What's an unexpected character? If we get to the edge of the screen here, it will actually wrap that text, but it will still go always to the new line between the paragraphs. What else can I tell you about paragraphs? There's not really much else to say, apart from if you have kind of spaces in text. What is the unexpected character? XX text. Basically, P tags, use them for paragraph text. That's about it, really. What is a HTML paragraph? There we go. That's what it is. P tag, content, another P tag. That's a paragraph. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.